Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw funds from TEMU. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright guys, on your PC, laptop or your mobile device, head on over to Google. Open up any web browser, head on over to Google and then type in temu.com and make sure you are signed into your account. And now once you're logged in, hover over your name and then click onto credit balance. Now from here you can view your current credit balance inside your TEMU account. So all your history will be here. And now to withdraw these credits here, there's no current option to withdraw credits. So what you can do is go ahead and message TEMU directly and then tell them that you want to withdraw your funds from TEMU, and they'll help you with that process to get your funds out of TEMU to your bank account. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you thought it was helpful.